The analyst behind that call joins us this morning, Citi's Ron Josey. Ron, welcome back. It's great to have you. You got a lot of intelligence that you've sort of gathered post-Can, and the stock price notwithstanding. I just wonder, what did change?
Carl, thanks for having me. No, a lot. What did change? So a lot of things. At Can, not only do we get a better view of just what's happening in the advertising market today, and our view is it's stable to improving is sort of where we're heading. And I understand that there's risk around recession and everything else going forward, but in the here and now and for the next couple of quarters, we feel as if the ad environment is more than stable and improving. Point number one, Carl. Point number two is that we think Meta is just investing quite a bit in new ad tools and products and ads innovation. And we think by doing this, we're driving higher conversion rates to the point where perhaps conversion rates are getting back to at least where pre-IDFA levels. So that's point number two. And maybe the third one for us is engagement continues to improve. And as engagement improves, we're seeing greater overall monetization. We point to Reels. We do a fun little tracking around Reels monetization where we literally go through and see ad load on Reels. And it's pretty interesting just to see how more advertisers are adopting the platform. It's more of a lo-fi environment that allows more advertisers to come in and be a part of the system. And as we see new ad innovations launching on these new platforms, we're pretty excited about where things are going with Meta.
Yeah, some great chart work on Reels. The one thing you haven't mentioned has been operating leverage, headcount reduction, cost discipline, the kinds of things that got this whole rally started in the first place.
Yeah, well, I mean, that's all for sure implied. I think now that we're at these levels of 280 and we know our price target's now up to 360, we have to see the flow through. We have to see that EPS come through, and we think we do. I think the key thing here, though, is the next leg of growth in our view is just, again, that stable to improving ad market, Meta taking a greater share, and growth getting sustainably back to, call it mid-teens, which is where we are. We think we'll exit this year around there. We think we'll get to, again, mid-teens in 2024. And then the high margin aspect of advertising should flow through into EPS. So, Carl, you're dead on. We should see greater operating leverage, particularly as advertising growth comes through. And of course, notwithstanding, Meta now has 20,000 fewer employees, and that is yet to really flow through the model. I think we went through the last round of layoffs perhaps at the end of May. And so come 3Q, 4Q, maybe we get a better sense of where the true profitability of this business is. And remember, they're still investing quite a bit in the metaverse.
I want to go back to this idea of stable to improving online advertising market. Is this a rising tide that lifts all boats, or is this very Meta specific, especially when you are talking about Reels?
We think it's Meta specific at this point, and it gets back to our view that in a post-IDFA world, bigger picture, we think that online advertising, went into recession in 3Q 21. And it took a while to realize that. Here we are. We're going to lap that in 2 years later this year. And our view is Meta essentially rebuilt their entire tech stack around advertising around this time last year. And we're starting to see the benefits of that. And what accelerated it for Meta was Reels and engagement. I don't think all the different ad platforms, so we know Snap is in the middle of testing the new DR tool. Pinterest is launching a bunch of new ad products as well. But we think Meta is actually further along on the ads innovation than some of the others. So rising tide for sure definitely helps. But I think advertisers are a lot more discerning and going after those platforms and using those products that can deliver greater conversion rates. And we think that's what's happening at Meta today versus a rising tide lifts all boats.